Hello everyone, this is me Fahim Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Fahim. Today I'm going to teach you something very interesting, but before we start, let me ask you a simple question. If I say I go market yesterday, look at the board. I go market yesterday. Do you understand something? But it doesn't sound right correct. Now listen to this sentence. I went to the market yesterday. Now this sentence sound right, correct, and natural. So what made the difference? The answer is grammar. Today we will learn three things. Number one, what is a grammar? Why do we learn grammar? And why is grammar important? But before we start, if you are new here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's move on. First of all, look at the definition of grammar. Grammar is the system or rules of a language that help us understand how words arrange correctly to make meaningful sentence. Grammar tells us how to speak or write correctly. In simple word, we can say grammar is equal to rules of a language. Okay, for example, number one, she go to school, and number second, she goes to school. Now, which one is correct? Obviously, this one is correct. You know why? Because grammar tells us when we talk about he or she, we must put s or es to the verb. This is not my choice. It's a rule. Look at this sentence. The boy is eating an apple. In this sentence, grammar tells us three things. Number one, the boy is the subject, is eating is a verb, and apple is object. So grammar helps us understand who is doing the action and what is happening in this sentence. So grammar is like a map that show how sentence is built. Okay, so I hope everybody is clearly understand. Now let's talk about the second point. Why do we learn grammar? We learn grammar because it helps us communicate clearly and correctly. Without grammar, people may misunderstand our message. Let's see an examples. Number one, let's eat, children. And number second, let's eat children. Do you see the difference? The first sentence means we invite children to eat food. And the second sentence means we are eating children. Just one comma can change the meaning. This is why grammar is important. Okay. Now, the third point and last, important of grammar. Grammar plays a crucial role. You know why? It makes our English clear, powerful, and confident. When you know grammar, you speak more confidently. You write better sentences. People understand you easily. Today we learn grammar is rules of language. We learn grammar to communicate clearly, and grammar is important because it helps us speak, write, and express ideas clearly. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.